Imagine coming home after a long day to a house that smells like your favorite scent. Today, I'm going to tell you about one of my favorite newer products to hit the HVAC market, a whole home scent diffuser. This innovative device integrates seamlessly with your HVAC system to distribute custom fragrances throughout your entire home. First off, what exactly is a whole home scent diffuser? Simply put, it's a device that connects to your HVAC system to disperse your choice of scents evenly across your home. Unlike traditional air fresheners that only affect small areas, this diffuser ensures every room smells just as wonderful as the next. A whole home scent diffuser can be quickly connected to your existing HVAC system. It's compact and doesn't require any major modifications, making it a hassle-free addition to your home. Once installed, the diffuser is controlled via a user-friendly app, allowing you to customize your scent preferences and intensity levels right from your phone. Speaking of customization, the diffuser offers a wide variety of fragrance options. Whether you prefer floral, citrus, woody, or seasonal scents, there's something for everyone. The app allows you to schedule different scents for different times of the day, ensuring your home always smells just the way you like it. A whole home scent diffuser not only enhances the ambiance of your living space, but can also positively impact your mood and well-being. Studies have shown that pleasant scents can reduce stress, improve sleep quality, and even boost productivity. The diffuser cartridges are easy to replace, and the app provides reminders when it's time for a refill. The system is designed to be low maintenance, so you can enjoy a fragrant home without any extra effort. A whole home scent diffuser is a game changer for anyone looking to elevate their home's environment. With easy installation, customizable settings, a wide range of fragrances, and numerous health benefits, it's an investment in your home's comfort and your well-being. If you're interested in learning more or having one installed, feel free to reach out to Western.